Hey everybody, how y'all doing? It's Steve coming at you. Hope you're having a great day. Well, you probably already heard that the Supreme Court, with all of their courage they could muster, decided to dismiss the Texas case, saying Texas had no standing. There are a couple of Supreme Court justices who were open to hearing it, Clarence Thomas and Alito, but they ultimately decided, the other 7 said, nah, we're not trying to hear that, because basically they don't want to be involved. I'm sure they've probably gotten death threats, and they've probably gotten all kinds of other threats, or they're concerned about that, and that's sad, but it is what it is. We seem to be missing some men and women of courage here. That's just kind of how I'm seeing it. What it really comes down to is the state legislatures. Now, luckily, the president and his team and others like Lynn Wood and Sidney Powell have cases because the Supreme Court said that Texas had no standing. Even though Texas was saying that because these other states cheated, essentially, it affected our votes. Well, the Supreme Court said, no, you have no standing, so they didn't even want to hear it. But there are cases with like Lynn Wood, who's from Georgia, and other cases that are being brought by the president's team by people who do have standing because they were affected. Those cases are still pending with federal judges in the individual states. We'll see. I just don't think there's any men and women in courage on our side. Our side is a big pile of wusses. At least the leadership is. Those of us the deplorables, who see what's going on, who will go to the marches, who will stand up, who will wear the hats, we're not scared. But our leaders, unfortunately, don't have the same kind of balls that we have. That's the problem. Hopefully that'll change, because it really comes down to legislatures. This was their fault. They allowed this to happen on their watch. They're the ones who need to fix it. That's just really the bottom line. If you're waiting on the court to save you, that's just a way of trying to pass the buck. Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, Michigan, Georgia, Arizona, y'all all have Republican legislators. Fix the mess you allowed to take place in your states. That's how you solve this issue. And if you agree with me, great, let me know. If you don't, let me know that too. But either way, we need to start. If we can't get some Republicans who have some testosterone, ladies and men, in their system, we need to boot the ones that are in there and get some ones in there who do have it. We start primarying these folks, especially starting with Georgia. Kemp, Raffensperger, all them punk asses in Georgia who call themselves Republicans and are just pansies. You need to get them out of there and get somebody in there who has something in their pants. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, if you agree with me, great. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Tell me why you disagree. That's fine. Either way, it's all good. But share the video. Either way, whatever you do, share the video, whether you like it or dislike it. Share the video. That's what really helps me out. I appreciate all y'all. I love you. Let's stay strong. Do not give up. It's not over. Let's keep praying. Let's keep pushing. Y'all take care.